In today's video, we're taking a look at 6 reasons why sports scientists should use R. The first reason sports scientists should use R is because packages allow for wider usage. There's a base R syntax, and then there's packages that you can add on to allow for more functions. There's the tidyverse and the dplyr, which are the main two that I like to use. And then there's the zoo and the broom package, which allow for work with time series or cleaning data. And then there's also the patchwork package that allows you to plot side-by-side graphs. R is great for statistical analysis. It's widely used in research, and it can be useful for running ANOVA, t-tests, linear models, or something as simple as a correlation coefficient. R also has other possibilities such as decision trees or neural networks when it comes to machine learning algorithms. The third reason sports scientists should use R is because the syntax is easy to understand. Not quite as complicated as Python. R can be a good stepping stone from Excel into a programming language that better suits the needs for a sports scientist. Next, R is great for larger data sets. Something like Excel has limitations on the size of the data sets that you can use, but R seems to handle larger data sets very well. When you're looking at research or working within a professional organization, R is going to be a better option than Excel for working with the larger data sets that you're going to be working with. The fifth reason why you should use R is that it's more sought after in sports science job descriptions. It's assumed that practitioners know and understand how to use Excel, but knowing something like R is a great way to set yourself apart from other practitioners and show that you're willing to learn and grow within the industry. Lastly, R is free and open source. It's constantly being worked on and improved, and other programmers are building packages that are going to make your life easier. To recap, R is beneficial because the packages allow for more options for analysis and visualizations. It's also better for larger data sets, and it's more sought after in sports science roles. However, there's definitely a learning curve to understand the syntax of R, and you may have to invest time and money to learn and gain certifications that show that you know how to utilize R. If I get stuck with my code or I have a question, Stack Overflow is a great place to look because a lot of other programmers have had similar questions, and so it's really easy to find a solution. Additionally, Coursera is a great place to look when we're trying to learn how to utilize R. There are crash courses, which are 1 to 2 hour long courses, or there's more in-depth courses that range between 3 to 6 months, and they're mostly self-paced. If you're taking a look at Coursera, you can look up something as simple as R for beginners, and it'll pull up several courses that you can take. Most of these are pretty short. Several of them are less than 2 hours, and then the rest of them are 1 to 4 weeks. And they're going to be a great way to learn the base R syntax and some of the basic packages that you're going to need to grow and thrive as a sports scientist. If you're interested about learning more about how you can use R for sports science, let me know down in the comments below.